Hi everyone, my name's Edward, I'm from the United Kingdom and this is my CS50P final project video demonstration. So my project is called Investments.CLI. It's essentially a training investment account so you can buy stocks and shares at the real life prices but just using fake money to build a bit of a portfolio and do a bit of playing around with it. So the first thing I need to do is register for an account. I'm just going to call it test, keep things generic for this demonstration. So I've registered for an account, I can now log in. So I'm on the main menu. The first thing I'm going to have to do is go to option 1 and update my cash balance. So I'll deposit some cash and then I can actually buy stocks and shares. So it's wanting card details. I'm just going to copy and paste in a card number that I know satisfies the criteria. So it wants a valid card number. So your American Express card has been accepted. Please enter the quantity in US dollars that you would like to deposit. So I'm going to pretend I've got lots of spare money since it's fake money and add $10,000 in. Go back to the main menu, go to my stock portfolio. I can now actually buy some stocks. So you've got to use the stock codes to actually buy the stocks. So Netflix, it's going to give me a live price for that and I'm going to buy 10 shares. Do you want to confirm? Yes. I'm going to go back to the stock portfolio. I'm also going to buy some Apple. Again, a live price, and then I'm going to buy 10 shares. So now that I've bought some shares, I'll go back to my cash balance just to show you that. Print the balance. You can see that that's come down because I've actually used some of that cash. If I go to my stock portfolio again, print my stock portfolio, and there it shows you in a nice table how many shares I've got, what the value are, and again it updates those values every time you print it, so you're always looking at live prices. And then if I go to option 4, I can go to the transaction history and see everything that I've transacted since I've created the account. So you can see 1 cash deposit and 2 stock purchases. So that's the program. It's just a quick introduction. It can do a bit more than that. But yeah, thanks a lot to the CS50 team once again. As you can probably see, this program was inspired by a few problem sets sort of merged together and improved upon and expanded. But yeah, thanks again, much appreciated.